Okay, let's get this party started. Let's do it again. All right, I'm coming in tight, coming in real close. And then again, the swivel. I always use it because this is me leaning out my door. So while I'm leaning out my door, I'm controlling the steering wheel with one. See? And it's easy for me, right? So here we go. Remember, you need room. Push the steering wheel forward. Your elbow rests, put them away. So here we go. This one's gonna be tight. But I still do the same thing. I'm going right in there. It's gonna be tight. So that's how tight I'm coming in. 1, 2, my front bumper at the edge of this trailer, and I'm gonna try to swing out as far as I can to 3 o'clock, as far as I can. We go. That's 3 o'clock. Now 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Lean out. 12 o'clock. Lean out. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. And that's what you want to see right there. That's perfect. See? You want to be... See, this is how you want to see it. You see this angle? That's how you want to see it. You know, that's how you want to see. You know, because what you do is you straight back here, and then you close the gap and straight back. See? That's how you want to see it. So then I have plenty of room to decide on what I want to do. Okay? Plenty of room to decide on what I want to do. It's perfect. It's clear. And let's do this. No overturn. I don't overturn. If you overturn, your truck is going to keep going on that direction. Here we go. And watch. Close it. You see how it's closing it? Now open it. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Close it. Open. Watch your mirrors. Open it. Close it. Close it. Open it. This place is tight. Now you close it a little bit. Open it. Close it. Open it. Close it. See how tight it is? Now here we go. Move forward. Here we go. Straighten out. That's perfect, you see? See, I don't overturn that much. Perfect, straight back. Straight back, and that's it, till you get, see there? Turn off the vehicle, and there it is. That's how to do it, alright? God bless y'all, love y'all, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.